A discussion topic can be accessed from the Discussions link on the navigation bar or directly from a folder or a learning module. This tutorial shows you how to access a discussion topic directly from the navigation bar. Click on the Discussions link on the navigation bar. You will see a list of discussion topics. Your professor may post discussion questions in the description area of a discussion topic. The purple icon indicates that there are new posts on the topic. To read discussion posts in a topic, you will click on the topic. Then you will see a group of messages post in the topic area. You may click on Show Replies to read replied messages. If you wish to respond to a message, click on Reply underneath the message. Type your message. When you are ready, click on Reply. Your replied message will be placed right underneath the original message. To review another discussion topic, you will close out the current topic page by clicking on the X sign at the upper left corner of the page. Then select another topic.